This 97 3000 GT was sideswiped, which caused some rear suspension damage. So today, we're going to replace the damaged parts and take a quick look at how to get the alignment very close so you can drive the car safely to the nearest alignment specialist. Here's a close-up shot of the damage to the original subframe, and here's a good used subframe that's going to replace it, so you can see the difference. The upper control arm wasn't bent, the strut wasn't bent. This control arm controls the toe, and this is a good one from the other side. This one is a little bit tweaked, so I matched it up with this side. There's one more control arm that controls the camber, and both of those were good on each side. After the new suspension parts are installed, we can adjust the camber with this offset bolt and the toe with this one. And you can see as we turn this how much adjustment we have in the camber. With the camber gauge attached to the rotor, we'll make our adjustments. And we're going to set it to 0, so maybe a little more. And that's good. After camber is set on both sides, we'll measure and adjust the toe using a tape measure or a tram gauge. We're going to set that to 0 also, and that means that the measurement from one tire to the other must be the same in the front and back of the wheels. Here we're taking a measurement from the back of the tires from one tread on one side to the same tread on the other side, and we'll do that in the front of the wheels next. And here's that same measurement at the front of those wheels. If there needed to be any adjustment in the toe, it would come from this offset bolt. After replacing any damaged suspension components and making the adjustments, we're ready to do the bodywork on this vehicle. I hope you enjoyed this video on replacing damaged suspension parts, and if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.